Bitcoin stays above $19,000, Ethereum trades below $1,300. G20 to review crypto regulation framework this week. Crypto and digital bank MinePlex secures $100 million in funding from GEM. Ex-CEO of Celsius cashes out $1 million while customer withdrawals are suspended. Crypto lending platform Moon Mortgage raises $3.5 million seed round. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrencies were trading lower for the second consecutive day on Tuesday ahead of the US inflation numbers later this week. Riskier assets, including cryptocurrencies, were under selling pressure emerging from monetary policy hawkishness and recession fears. Manoj Dhara joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Manoj.
Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dhara. So cryptocurrencies was trading lower on Tuesday ahead of the US inflation numbers, which is scheduled later this week. So riskier assets, including cryptocurrencies, were under selling pressure emerging from the monetary policy hawkishness and the recession fears in US. If we talk about the global cryptocurrency market cap, which was trading lower at $918 billion, which plunged more than 3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume surged by as much as 64%, which was at $55 billion. IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 1.8% at 27,510 points. The US dollar has risen for the fourth straight session on Monday as investors brace for the higher inflation data to be released this week, leading to an expansion of continued aggressive monetary policy from the Federal Reserve. That's what analysts have believed. If you're talking about today's day-to-day trading, the volumes are actually lower as the result of the strong dollar and the possibility of the more significant rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve. Interest in gold prices remained unchanged on Tuesday, remaining close to a one-week low, which has actually reached in the previous session. The Nasdaq Composite fell 1% following a drop in the semiconductor stocks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average that shed 94 points or 0.3%, while the S&P 500 fell by around 0.8%. So going forward, market participants will be closely observing the CPI data as well as the FOMC meeting impact, which is actually the bigger concern for the analyst and the entire market participants. Bitcoin was trading at $19,090, down 1.1%. So Bitcoin has actually remained remarkably stable in the recent weeks when compared to the traditional assets markets such as Forex, volatile equity and credit. Against a backdrop of central bank rate hikes, rampant inflation and strong US dollar, Bitcoin has been uncharacteristically low in the volatility, analysts have actually opined. So if we talk about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.2%, trading at $1,283. The fund managers have been dumping digital currencies Ether from their holdings amid worries that the heightened regulatory scrutiny may blunt the digital currency's expansion going forward. In the week ending October 7th, Ether saw an outflow of totaling $2.2 million, which is highlighting investors which are hesitant about its regulatory status. James Butterfield, head of the research at digital asset management firm CoinShare, has said in a report. On my left, Binance BNB was down by 1.1%, was trading at $271. Polygon Matic was down by 2.6%, was trading at $0.80. Polygon has rolled out its first public testnet for its new Ethereum scaling solution, Hermes, as competition from the finding leading Ethereum layer 2 solution, which has actually begun. The scaling solution runs on Ethereum, helping to significantly boost its scalability, enabling to the process significantly more transactions for a significant lesser fees. Talk about Solana Sol, which was next on the list, was down by 3.8%, was trading at $31. Next on the list is Shiba Inu, was trading down by 5.2%. Cardano's ADA token was down by 5% to trade at $0.39. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $16, down by 4.2%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.2% at $0.059. Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.48, down by 6.8%. Polkadot was trading lower by 2.6% at $6.
Thank you, Manoj, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development on Monday submitted a framework to increase international transparency in crypto to the G20. 20 participating member countries make up the G20, including China, India, South Korea, Brazil, the US, the United Kingdom, and the European Union. To name a few, back in April 2021, the G20 tasked the OECD with developing a method for automating cryptocurrency tax reporting between nations. G20 finance ministers and central bank governors will review the 100-page crypto asset reporting framework along with suggested amendments to the group's common reporting standard at their next meeting, which will occur this Wednesday and Thursday in Washington, D.C. Singapore-based crypto bank MinePlex has secured $100 million from digital asset investment firm GEM Digital Limited. Aimed at closing the gap between digital asset and traditional banking, MinePlex will use the fund to develop new banking technologies, including a collaboration with MasterCard and Visa for transaction accepting Tether, Bitcoin, Ether, and Tron. According to MinePlex, its native MinePlex token will also be listed on new exchanges as part of the fundraising efforts. The company also intends to open new offices in South Africa, Australia, India, and Brazil, adding to its already established offices in Barcelona, Dubai, Uruguay, and Singapore. The company claims to have processed more than 5 million cards across 50 banks in Russia, Europe, and Asia. Data show that Alex Mashinsky, who resigned as bankrupt crypto lender Celsius CEO on September 27th, continues to move crypto out of wallets while withdrawals are suspended for customers. Almost $1 million in CEL and USDC has been sent to Uniswap and MetaMask since the beginning of October from wallets belonging to Alex, according to data compiled by Nansen. On-chain data from analytics platform Nansen identifies wallets belonging to Mashinsky, showing a steady stream of Celsius CEL token and Circle's USDC stablecoin leaving his 6 wallets over the last month. CoffeeZilla, a blockchain sleuth that exposes crypto scams on YouTube, claims to have spotted another wallet controlled by Mashinsky that has moved approximately $225,376 in CEL and USDC during the last month. This is in addition to the $28,242 moved by Mashinsky in August over the course of a few days and the nearly $27 million that was withdrawn by executives in 2 tranches before the firm declared bankruptcy. Crypto lending platform Moon Mortgage has raised a $3.5 million seed round. The funds will be used to finance Moon's mortgage lending product, Crypto Mortgage. Crypto Mortgage takes investors' digital assets as collateral and then provides 100% financing for investment properties. Investors can also use Moon Mortgage to take out a loan against the value of their digital assets. Crypto Mortgage will be launching soon for home buyers in Texas, Florida, and Colorado, and will eventually be open to investors in most states across the US for investment properties. Now let's go to Vishakha to get updates on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Recently, Polygon revealed the launch of its zero-knowledge EVM public testnet, also known as Hermes, with blue-chip DeFi projects Uniswap and Aave Drumping on board, enabling developers to test the integration of privacy-enhancing zero-knowledge rollups in their decentralized applications. ZK rollups are layer 2 scaling solutions that attempt to enhance the Ethereum blockchain's performance by rolling up collections of transactions which are then presented to the blockchain as a single block. As the blockchain only needs to handle one transaction rather than many, this lowers costs and speeds up transactions. Polygon emphasized that zero-knowledge EVM is Ethereum equivalent, which means that all existing smart contracts, developer tools, and wallets already built on the Ethereum and Polygon blockchains will work seamlessly. HIVE jumped by 9% amid HIVE Network's new hard fork upgrade backed by Binance. Binance will handle all technical requirements involved for all users holding HIVE in their Binance accounts. The HIVE network upgrade and hard fork will take place approximately at 5:30 p.m. The HIVE upgrade will be stable and it will prevent undue price fluctuation due to debt. This will also act as a security mechanism, preventing users from exploiting the on-chain conversion system. HIVE has surged 9%, trading at $0.5714 with a market capitalization of $2 million. Ethereum name service jumped 6% as ENS announced a new wrapper service that will allow the creation of subdomains for .eth names. The new ENS subdomain service will allow users to mint and customize new subdomains, which become independent NFTs. The most recent update is favorable for companies, platforms, and creators alike. Users will be able to trade and possess a subdomain. Basically, this is an update to the ENS code. ENS had over 400,000 new .eth registrations. Recently, ENS also partnered with Coinbase to create cb.id usernames, and ENS was trading at $16.25, up by 5.06%.
Thank you, Vishaka. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.